How you doing? This is Dan Swede from Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here's some of the inventory that we have on hand for trash bin cleaning trailers. We've also built 3 different model truck mounted units. We have 3 different trailer packages. We're going to be expanding beyond that in the future. These are 3,500 PSI at 9 gallon a minute hot water power washers, door bin lifters, all steel trailer. That's a 2x6 inch box union frame, 1/8 inch steel panels and double doors on each side of the trailer, so you can make it easy to service. You don't have to climb over the top of the power washer to get into the trailer. Aluminum hopper, we keep that empty, or at least the wastewater is pumped from the trash bin hopper where you're cleaning the carts over, through the filtration system and into its own wastewater recovery tank. Most areas it's not street legal to drive around in an open top container like a rear trash bin hopper that's an open top container and have wastewater that's high in oil, grease, they call it hydrocarbons, phosphates from fertilizers, pesticides from yard waste bins, household chemical. It is not gray water. Do not be fooled by people making those kind of claims. You do have to address the issue. You do want to make sure you are environmentally friendly. The old days of sneaking around and dumping in car washes and RV parks, unfiltered wastewater with phosphates, pesticides, herbicides, oil, grease, everything else is over. That's cities, counties, they all agree that is not an appropriate way to handle that type of wastewater. And we can give you all the information you need on that, provide you the data information, make sure you're making a sound decision, make sure you're not transporting wastewater on a truck or trailer in the open top hopper in the back. Like I said, we do a tip solid wastewater holding tank, multiple stage filtration. Our filters have been known to last over 5 weeks without needing to be changed. It could vary based if you're doing thousands and thousands of trash carts a month, but overall it's very low, and you can actually recycle the wastewater, staying in the field longer. You don't have to. Our speeds are so fast that normally the water that's on the trailer can last you to do a lot of carts, but if you need to knock out another 20-30 carts in the field, especially starter carts, or a lot more maintenance carts, it would take us a little as 8 seconds to clean maintenance cart, an average of 30 seconds to clean starter cans, restoration cans, just a little longer, but those are carts that have maybe paint and everything else in it. You can get a hold of us at 616-250-4039, 616-250-4039, or go to trashbincleanersdirect.com.